Hello everyone! In this video, I will be talking about the Honor phone X8b. I will share with you the specs and official price here in the Philippines. Okay, simulan natin sa display. Meron siyang 6.7-inch screen size na may FHD Plus AMOLED display. Tapos, meron siyang pill-shaped dynamic punch hole. Ang screen resolution niya is 1080p by 2412 pixels na may pixel density na 394 pixels per square inch. Aspect ratio is 20:9. Tapos 90 Hz ang refresh rate at meron siyang peak brightness na 2000 nits. Dimensions. Meron siyang height na 161.05mm, width na 74.55mm, at thickness na 6.78mm. Ang weight niya is 166 grams. Okay, materials. Yung front niya is glass. Tapos yung frame niya is plastic. Tapos yung green na variant is faux leather. Yung titanium at saka yung black is plastic. Hindi specified yung dust and water resistance niya. Performance. Hardware platform. Ang chipset niya is Qualcomm Snapdragon 680. Ang CPU niya is an octa-core processor with up to 2.4 GHz. Ang GPU niya is Adreno 610. Sa operating system, Android 13 with macOS 7.2. Mayroon siyang RAM na 8GB tapos storage na 512GB. Pero hindi siya expandable. Sa CMN network naman tayo. Dual SIM siya, nano SIM, pero 4G LTE lang to. Sa battery naman, mayroon siyang 4,500 mAh with 35 watts fast charging. Honor Supercharge. In 80 minutes, full charge na. Connectivity. Wi-Fi niya is dual band which is 2.4 at 5 GHz. FM radio, wala. Bluetooth niya is 5.0, wala rin siyang NFC. GPS positioning, USB OTG, yes, meron. USB port, USB Type-C. Sa sensors naman, meron siyang gyroscope, compass, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, and accelerometer. Sa biometrics, meron siyang face recognition and fingerprint sensor na side-mounted. Okay, camera na tayo. Meron siyang triple camera system. Yung main camera niya is 108MP with an aperture of 1.75. Autofocus siya. Yung pangalawa is an ultra-wide camera with 5MP na mayroong 2.2 na aperture at ang pangatlo is yung 2MP na macro camera with an aperture of 2.4. Can record up to 1080p. Sa selfie naman, meron siyang 50MP na selfie camera with 2.1 na aperture, can record up to 1080p. Sa audio naman tayo, meron siyang USB Type-C audio output with a single down-firing speaker located at the bottom of the phone. Colors. Meron siyang midnight black, titanium silver, at glamorous green. Ang Honor X8b ay nilaunch dito sa Pilipinas noong February 21, 2024. Okay, nasa presyo na tayo. Official price in the Philippines, ang Honor X8b na may 8GB na RAM at 512 na storage ay 12,999. Ito ay mabibili nyo na sa mga suki nyong cellphone shops at mga suki nyong online stores gaya ng Shopee at ng Lazada. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel para ma-update kayo sa mga bagong cellphones dito sa Pilipinas. Thank you very much. God bless.